Okay, let's do another example of how to use lookups to solve a real practical problem. Let's suppose you change your product price based on the date. So for example, January through March, we charge $4. April through June of a given year, we charge $5. July through September, we charge $6. And October through December, we charge $7. So we want to write a formula. You can start with a blank file here, really, to output the product price based on the date. Because we might have 1,000 or 100,000 dates in a spreadsheet and we want to not manually look up the price each time. So the trick here is to put the dates in where the prices change. So let's suppose it's 2015. So we'll start on New Year's Day 2015. We need to widen that column. Double-clicking the column heading will widen the column. Okay, and so this will be the price, and we'll say it's $4. And remember, the VLOOKUP true does an approximate match. So the next date where the price changes will be April 1st, 2015. We'll put a 5 there. And then July 1st, 2015, we'll put a 6 there. We'll format that as currency in a minute. And October 1st, 2015, we'll put a 7 there. Now to format as currency, I could just go to a currency button. But the way I like to format things, it just is my quirk. Control 1 brings up format cells. I'll write that down in a second. And then I can do currency. Control +1 brings up format cells. And I mean, that's a little slower, but basically, I mean, it just brings up everything I need. So now we're going to type in a date, and we're going to get the product price. Okay, so we'll make up a date. Suppose it's May 1st, 2015. Now, again, the way, double-click to widen the column. So now it's a vertical lookup because I'm going to match that date in the first column here. And so I do vertical lookup, and the lookup value is the date. I'm going to match it in this range. Okay, and the answer is going to be in the second column because that gives the price. And I can use the word true or leave it out because those dates are in ascending order. So May 1st, and let's get that format. Currency. Okay, so May 1st, 2015, Excel thinks, okay, May 1st is greater than or equal to April 1st, but not greater than or equal to July 1st. So it stops here at the $5. And so if I would do, for instance, 7/1/2015, whenever there's an exact match, it gets it right. That's going to be $6. I do October 3rd, 2015. That's greater than or equal to October 1st. So that's going to give me $7. Again, I need to widen the column. Let's just make the column way wider. Okay, so the key here is I had to create this table with the dates where the price changes occur and then put the prices there. Now again, if I put in a date that's before January 1st, 2015, I'm going to have issues because it won't get there in the lookup table. And how we fix those NAs, we will discuss that when we get to basically the if-error function, which a lot of you probably know. Okay, so that's it for this video on how you can look up a product price based on the date.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.